Good day everyone, today I'm going to perform the sagittal, frontal, and transverse plane movements. So first we have the sagittal plane movements to the right. So flexion head right, extension, hyperextension head right, flexion body right, extension, hyperextension body right, flexion hand right, extension, hyperextension hand right, flexion elbow right, flexion arm right, extension, hyperextension arm right, flexion right leg, extension, hyperextension right leg, extension, flexion right knee, extension, dorsiflexion to the right, plantar flexion to the right. Next, sagittal movements to the left. Flexion head left, extension, hyperextension head up. Flexion body left, extension, hyperextension body left. Flexion hand left, extension, hyperextension hand left, extension, flexion elbow left, flexion right arm, extension, hyperextension right arm, flexion left leg, extension, hyperextension left leg, extension, flexion knee left, dorsiflexion to the left, plantar flexion to the left. Next is we have the frontal movements. Flexion head, extension, hyperextension head, flexion hand left, extension, hyperextension hand left, flexion elbow left, flexion arm left, extension, hyperextension arm left, flexion left leg, extension, hyperextension left leg, extension, flexion left knee, abduction right arm, adduction right arm, abduction right leg, adduction right leg, extension, inversion right, inversion left, elevation, depression, ulnar deviation right, radial deviation right, lateral flexion to the right body, extension, lateral flexion to the right head, abduction left arm, adduction left arm, abduction left leg, adduction left leg, inversion left, eversion left, ulnar deviation left, radial deviation left, lateral flexion to the left body, extension, lateral flexion to the left head. Now, let's move on to the transverse plane movements. The supination body, pronation body, and the rotation body. So first, we have the supination body, pronation body, rotation body. Supination hand, pronation hand, and rotation right hand. Supination left hand, pronation left hand, and rotation left hand.